Good afternoon, ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to carve this, a tree wizard. Stay tuned to find out how I've done this, and you could be in a chance to winning it as well. So if you live in the UK, like, subscribe to the video and wait till the end of the video and you'll see how you can win. We've got the nose, eyes, just a rough outline. So where's the inside of his nose, you follow it out behind and behind his moustache basically. That's obviously his eyebrows and his forehead. And we just keep working it out and out and out. Got to put his mouth in yet. But from a side profile, you can see the depth. You need the depth because deeper is better basically. Obviously not too deep because it's flat on the back. So you've got to be very careful not to go all the way through. But we're getting somewhere. We'll keep working at it and chipping at it until we're complete. Time to bust out the little 170 Stihl chainsaw. This is the cheapest saw on the Stihl market, but it's brilliant for carving. As long as you've got a 1/4 pitch chain, that is, with a little sugi bar. then, it's pupil time. I'm guessing centre. Let's just put a line about there. He's a bit cockeyed there, isn't he? This one's got to come in more, I think. Getting close. We'll Dremel him in. See if we can make it look a bit better that way. Right, let's do this. No. Oh, please don't smash. Please don't be smashed. Please don't be... Oof. Good job I got this bloody protective casing on it, innit? Jesus. Oh. Done your job. Put you over there where you can't get hurt. Happy days. Let's get some final images. Well, that's about it, ladies and gents, for this episode. We've done the tree wizard. Yeah, I said about the competition. So if you live in the UK, what bits was I using in the Dremel? Tell me that in the comments. Like the video and subscribe. That way you might be in a chance of winning it. We'll figure out how we're going to do that later on in time. Probably a syndicate or something like that. And we'll do a live draw once there's enough subscribers and people and followers. Until next time, see you around.